Hey, it's your boy Global Knockz. And I'm about to give y'all 5 good tips to help y'all sell beats. Anybody that's starting out to sell beats, I got 5 tips for you. You ready? Number 1, hey, have a good website. Make sure it's clean, organized, and professional. You know, when the client click on your link, they want to see something that's going to catch their eye and make them want to go back to your website. Okay? That was number 1. Number 2, have a good mix on your beats. Always make sure they got great levels mixed, whether you master them or not, doesn't really matter. A lot of people that sell beats just have a great mix. And if you can get it to the engineer that's recording it, they should be able to know what they're doing to make it sound good to the vocals. And that's one thing that I struggled with for a long time. I was like, why have I not been selling beats like I need to? And it was because my mixing was trash. Okay. Number 3, you want to build a great internet presence. If people don't know who you are, then people are not going to buy it. That's plain and simple. So basically, you want to stay consistent on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, wherever you decide to put your beats out. Number 4, stay consistent. That's plain and simple. Just keep making beats, crank them out daily. Whether it's 2 to 3, just whatever you set your goal at, just stay consistent with them so you can always have a variety for your customers to pick out. Number 5, give away some free beats. When I say give away free, I'm not talking about just find a random person and give away free beats. No. Give away free beats only if they sign up to your website. So basically, when I say that, you're just basically generating an email list where you can email them over and over so that you can let potential clients know that you have fresh product. Like I said, these are just 5 easy, quick tips within 2 minutes. Well, I didn't went over 2 minutes, but hey, I appreciate you tuning in. And it's your boy Global Knockz. Peace.